Alright, we're going to look at comparing fractions, and you can find this in Unit 3.3 of your textbook. There are many different situations when you might be asked to compare fractions. You might be asked which one's bigger or smaller, etc. In this question, we're going to see which of these two fractions is biggest. Now, we can only compare fractions if their denominators are the same. You can think about a piece of cake. We can only compare the size of the cake, if how much cake we have, if the pieces are cut into the same size. So in order to do this, we need to find the LCM of both of our denominators. Now the LCM stands for the lowest common multiple. So what we can do is we can write our two denominators, 5 and 7, and we can write a list of their multiples. So we've got 5, 10, 15, 20, etc., etc., etc. Alright. Then we do our other one, 7, 14, 21. Then, of course, we are looking for the lowest. We've written out their multiples. We're looking for the lowest one that they have in common. So they don't have 5 in common. Nope, 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 nope. Oh, they both have 35 in common, and that's the lowest number that they have in common. So to get to 35 from 5, I had to multiply 7 times. And whatever I do to the bottom, I have to do to the top. And the 7 had to be multiplied 5 times. Again, whatever I do to the bottom, I do to the top. So now I'm keeping my fractions to have the same value, but I'm making them equivalent so I can compare them. So 3 times 7 is 21, and 5 times 7 was 35. And then 4 times 5 is 20, and 7 times 5 is 35. Now that I have the same denominator, I can easily compare them, and I can see that the first fraction has more in the numerator, which means it must be larger. So that is how we compare fractions. Alright, so we have to get the denominator the same using the LCM and find an equivalent fraction that has the same denominators for both of them, and that way we can compare which one